The Polar M200 with an integrated GPS makes heart rate-based training more enjoyable than ever. It reads your heart rate optically through the skin on your wrist and tracks your pace or speed, distance, altitude, and route with the GPS. To get the most accurate heart rate reading, wear the wristband snugly on the top of your wrist, just behind the wrist bone. The sensor must be touching your skin, but not so tightly that it prevents circulation or feels uncomfortable. Start training by pressing and holding the right button. You'll see a list of your sport profiles. Choose the sport you want to do by pressing the right button. You can start training by pressing and holding the right button until the recording has started, when the tracker has found your heart rate and GPS. You can mark a lap by pressing and holding the right button during training. To pause your session, press the left button. And you can continue training by pressing the right button. To stop your session, press and hold the left button. When you've finished training, loosen the band and wear it just as you would a normal watch. You can easily sync your training data to the PolarFlow mobile app or web service. There you'll see all your past training sessions with all the details and get a more detailed feedback on your training. Find your way. Find the joy. Polar M200 GPS running watch.